Hello everyone. Today we are representing a project. This project is made by Siddhant Gupta, and Kalp Kumar from class 6th. We are representing Sri Gajera English Medium Primary School.
We have made it to solve the problem of the accident between humans and train. Like we all have seen that people sitting, walking, clicking selfies and vlogging on track, and many people were hit with the train, and many people get life damage. So for reducing these types of accident, we have make a project named Train Accident Preventing System. The material needed for this project are Arduino Uno, ultrasonic sensor, buzzer, LED and jumper wire.
So for preventing these types of accident, we have found a solution. When the train is 3.5 km far away, ultrasonic sensor detect the train. So we have found a solution. When the train is 3.5 km far away, the ultrasonic sensor detect the train and all the LED lights started glowing one by one. And when the last LED light glow, the ultrasonic sensor detects and the buzzer will make a sound so that the people who are sitting, clicking selfies, walking or vlogging on the track can get a sign of alert, and animals are afraid of red lights so they can move from that place. We can make these types of projects in future in our real life. I hope you would like our project. Our mentor name is Miss Neha ma'am. Thank you.